The YouTrip Card is a multi-currency travel wallet that gives users unmatched flexibility and value when spending abroad. With support for over 150 currencies, it allows seamless transactions without the typical foreign exchange fees charged by traditional banks. Every time you pay in a foreign currency, the card automatically converts at the real interbank rate, ensuring you save significantly compared to standard credit and debit cards. YouTrip also supports local payments in over 150 countries, making it ideal for frequent travelers, online shoppers, and anyone who deals with international transactions. One of the main benefits is the zero transaction fees on overseas spending. Unlike other cards that charge up to 3% per transaction, YouTrip eliminates these hidden costs, meaning a $100 purchase abroad is truly $100. The card also allows you to hold multiple currencies at once. You can preload currencies like USD, Euro, JPY, or GBP, locking in favorable rates ahead of travel or purchases. This feature gives full control over exchange rate fluctuations and prevents unexpected losses. YouTrip offers instant notifications for every transaction, providing real-time monitoring and security. The app also allows you to freeze or unfreeze the card instantly if it is misplaced, adding an extra layer of protection. In addition, the YouTrip card integrates with mobile wallets such as Apple Pay and Google Pay, making contactless payments convenient and fast. Traveling with YouTrip removes the stress of handling cash or worrying about international fees. Spending is tracked easily in the app, allowing clear budgeting for trips. Daily ATM withdrawals are supported in multiple currencies, giving access to local cash whenever needed. The card's transparent structure, combined with competitive exchange rates, makes it a cost-efficient solution for both travelers and online shoppers looking to save on foreign spending. The YouTrip card is a smart financial tool, offering currency flexibility, cost savings, security, and convenience, making it one of the best travel cards on the market today.